Hello everyone, my name's Alex with Long Island Egress Pros. Today I'm showing you our showroom here located at 21A Edison Avenue, West Babylon, New York. You'll see that you come in here, we have a variety of windows. Everything that we have in this showroom is in stock in our warehouse. Come and check it out. God forbid you needed to get out in an emergency. How long do you think it's going to take? Today I'm showing you our banner. We won Best of Long Island for 2025, and there's a lot of reasons why. Number one being our incredible installation process. Right behind me, you're going to see one of our most popular options, the Egress Pros Emergency Escape System. When it comes to an emergency, this is how fast you should get out. One turn, open, and out. What I'm showing you today is our very massive stock of windows that we have ready to rock and roll for your job site. Everything from 27 by 46. Over here is 36 by 48. On the other side, we have 50 by 48 windows and a ton more. And as you guys can see right here, not only do we stock them on the shelves, we have them ready to go in bulk for our fellow contractors that like installing windows every day. Behind me, you're gonna see just a small taste of the inventory that we have in our facility here in West Babylon. As we walk on down, the most important thing that we talk about when it comes to egress, other than the window, is the wells. We take a lot of pride in offering the highest quality products on the market. Right here behind me, you're gonna see 18 gauge steel wells in white and also a stacked stone look. That way you have options and you get the best product that's available on the market. We got thousands of homeowners and hundreds of contractors that we've done and do business with. And I just wanted to show you guys, this is what comes off site when we come out and do an egress. It gets done in one day, no mess, no stress. When you guys call the pros, you know it gets done right. Give us a call today.